Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on cartooning and drawing all sorts of stuff. And today I'd like to show you how to draw a fairy. Now I usually show you how to draw like a female fairy or warrior fairy, but a lot of times it's fun to get to push the envelope a little bit and do something like a guy rather than always being a female fairy. Something like a kid in the fairy neighborhood. So I'm going to start with this basic young shape, and it's young because the cheek bumps out over here. Here is the center line. Eye line is very low, so it's a 3/4 view. Fairy ears are coming out this way. And I'm going to bring this out further so I can accentuate kind of a pointy chin. That's better. So it's kind of almond eyes that are tilting out like this. See, notice they come up at the sides? Now I'm going to bring over the center line here so it goes right to the tip. Now bring that out, the tip of the nose nice and pointy because that's the way fairies are built. Small little smile. I'm going to lessen that a little bit. It's a little hard. I'm going to do this over again in ink, as many of you know. Big arching eyebrows. Slightly down. Makes the character look a little mischievous. Here comes the jaw, right in here. Like that. And the ear comes in here. The hair, a lot of hair on top of the head. Makes it look young by having a big top of the head. Okay, so I think we have enough now to begin. You ready? Here we go. All right, so first we'll try to get that nice slender look of the eye on one side, and the same thing here. And we'll put that pupil in the corner of the eye. Like so. This one gets cut off more because it's in the distance. It's a 3/4 view moving this way. So the bridge of the nose sort of cuts it off, what you would see if we did draw the entire bridge of the nose. Here's the upturned nose, little nostril. Little shadow under the chin, under the lip, sorry. Straight line to the side of the eye, out the cheek, and back down to a small chin. It's a soft look because you're friendly creatures. We have them in our neighborhood all the time. Backyard, the woods. See the little tiny castle back there, but you have to be very quiet because they get skittish. And here again, going down that eyebrow slightly down. It's a kind of a mischievous look to it. Now, big ears, really accentuate those. But you don't have to do much with the interior. If you do a lot with it, it's going to draw too much attention to it. It's already drawing attention to itself because of its size. Bring the hair down here in front of the ear and brush it here, just kind of irregular long strokes. This is the bangs right here. They'll start up here, and then we curve back again, like that. And flip it out a little bit in the back. And a little ridge for the cap. And a patch. A little shadow under the chin, on the neck. And there you go. There we have a male fairy boy character. I hope you enjoyed that. New videos every week. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.